Welcome to Crazy Dashcam. In today's video, we're diving into some intense and unexpected traffic situations captured through dashcam footage. From daring maneuvers to heart-stopping moments, everything is recorded with vivid and realistic detail. Join us as we experience these events and learn valuable lessons on the road. Let me know if you'd like any adjustments.
Maintain a safe distance between vehicles when driving. When it rains and the road becomes slippery, we should reduce our speed to maintain control of our vehicle in these weather conditions. Allow vehicles to park, as even a slight delay can cause congestion in the parking garage.
Go on, do it. Bet you'd enjoy it, fucking me.
Oh my God. He lost control of his vehicle and skidded off the road. Thankfully, everything is okay. A kangaroo jumped straight into the side of the car. Luckily, after the collision, it seemed to be okay. The rear door of the white car flew open, causing a vanity table to fall out.
You can't park here, Ma. I think it's fun.
The essential thing when driving is to stay calm and avoid being hasty in any situation. The truck driver changed lanes without carefully checking the mirrors. Next time, pay more attention if you don't want to pay a steep price.
Oh,
Shit! Right, just stay in the car, guys. And they've just driven off.
wing! It's legal! Fuck!
What do you think about this video? Thank God for keeping us safe. Harsh weather conditions make driving more challenging. No matter who you are, you should always be cautious when driving in bad weather.
No, you!
In this case, who do you think is right and who is wrong? Oh my God, don't anyone follow this motorcyclist's example? This behavior is truly condemnable.
Thank you all for watching the video till the end. If you found this content useful and interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. We regularly update with exciting and helpful content to serve you. Join our community and let's explore more new things together. of the white truck may have just had a nap, causing the vehicle he was driving to collide with a barrier on the highway. The black pickup truck changed lanes to overtake without properly checking. Hopefully you can learn from this clip. If another vehicle had been traveling at high speed, a serious collision could have occurred.
Emergency video.
Yo! Holy shit! Fucking dumb cunts, bro.
Fortunately, the driver in the adjacent lane was unharmed.
Holy shit, did you see that cost me now? What? No.
It's possible that the trailer was malfunctioning due to the driver's excessive speed. Once again, we see a slide caused by slippery road conditions.
You fucking idiot. You're joking, right? You didn't, you just cut into my fucking lane. I'm still in my lane. Why'd you swerve away if I went the wrong way? Why the fuck were you in my lane? This is my lane, I'm still in my fucking lane. You just fucking hit me.
Black Friday deals across our range, from power tools to ladders. Don't miss our lowest prices on trade quality brands like DeWalt, AEG, Makita, Sightco and Kango. And where you find a competitor's lower price on the same stocked item.
Wouldn't it have been a sad day when we were trying to set up a barbecue up or something and we're going, you know what would have been good?
This situation highlights the provocative behavior of the convertible driver, who didn't hesitate to stop and engage in a heated argument.
Mate, move. Move your fucking car, you dickhead. Yeah, you're a fucking idiot. Move.
For me is that it's striking this quite triumphant mood at the moment. They've come out of the referendum.
You idiots.
Could it be that there's an experienced racer behind the wheel of that vehicle?
What the fuck?
Oh, shit.
Could you please explain this situation to me?
Oh, what a fuckwit. Dash cams!
Smart drivers don't try to speed through red lights or push the gas recklessly.
RF 222. Did they scrape the car? Yeah. 1D RF 222. Oi! Don't go after them. No, he has to stop. It's illegal not to. Pull over. Pull over! The pull over? Yeah.
Whoa, what is going on there?
I know. Oh. A couple of years ago, I tried to convince myself.
This vehicle could easily be dubbed the highway champion. Now I understand why it's important not to drink alcohol when driving.
That means we're taking lots of rear. It's only a tire one, yeah. Most popular female in Victoria.
Oh, Jesus.
Bloody.
I think.
Thank you for watching the entire video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming content. Your support is the motivation for us to keep growing. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Yeah. Better. You're still driving.
Hey.